sculpture. Exhibition here before, but they
Sell it.
actually, yeah. Don't you think it's so good? This is 汉饼，感觉蛮有趣的。我们先吃一半。
Oh, okay. True.
No, that's it. Okay. Yeah. 绿豆土原味，试试看。我的最爱。
It's really hard. There's no we can talk. We can eat.
You know what's that?
I don't know what's that.
般蛋黄酥，
蛋黄酥。
然后这个是芋头酥，
I'm gonna explain.
芋头酥，
There is
蛋黄，那里面也是放咸蛋黄。
salted.
对，然后这个应该是咖喱
Is that
肉
curry?
对，
So the color is
黄色的，荧光黄。
green and yellow.
然后这是绿豆酥，绿豆凸，这应该是甜
This
的
is。so white, right? But this is so yellow.
那就是现在还有放那个咖喱粉，
Okay.
这样比较
For me, it looks more like tasty than sweet. I mean, sorry. For me, it looks like salty and sweet.
它是手提啊，
It's salty.
这3个。这个好了，你不是说你很好
Okay, let's
奇？
just try.